Hey everyone, it's Jacob here from HackCommunity.com, and I'm gonna pretty much show you the basics of Autoit 3. Today we'll be working with basic Hello World program. So what you want to do is just kind of want to Google Autoit 3 or whatever, come to autoitscript.com, then you go here to Autoit and downloads, and this is, of course, we're going to be installing the IDE, the area where we code in. So you just want to download Autoit 3. You see here it starts downloading, and then you want to download the script editor. That'll make it easier for you to edit and run your scripts. So you just click Site for Autoit3.exe. You see I got two files here downloaded. Just open this one. You gotta install Autoit 3 before you install Site. So just run it, and it's really quick, really. I have it set to edit the script for quicker editing. Just installs it, and it'll, well, install. It's small. Yeah, there you go. I mean, I already have it installed on my system, but just kind of like showing you how it's done, what step to play. And there you go, it's installed. So what you want to do is you want to go to the desktop, right? And right click New, Autoit v3 script. And just name it Hello World, because that's what we're going to be working with today. Open it for editing, and you'll see this. Kind of ignore that, it's for UDFs, user-defined functions. And the basic of the Hello World. There's multiple ways we can do this. Today, I'm just going to show y'all around the IDE and the basic of it. So here's file, all that cool stuff that you always get. Edit probably won't work much in there because I don't personally. Here, tools. You'll find that this is where this is where you find yourself at most of the time. You got compile, build, go. Compile, what it does is it turns your Autoit 3 script into an executable, and I think with compile you can use options. Build, it just turns it into an executable in the same directory. This go is how you test your script. It's debugging mode, I guess you could say. The rest of these you won't really use except Coda and the Autoit 3 information and tidy. This is how you make GUIs. I'll cover that probably in less than 2 or 3. Site for Autoit 3 can also be used for other scripting languages, which I don't see why there's IDEs for them too, but not a fan. Let's go back to where we were. So what you're going to do is just we're going to use the message box function. Alright, you do this, you can see the parameters. There's flag, title, text. Really your best friend is going to be the help file. In Autoit 3, the help file is, well, going to be your best friend. Has everything inside of it, all the functions. So if you open up that, and you go here, it'll show you everything you need to. What the flag means, what the title is, all these parameters. And down here, you'll see that it tells you what the return values are. So like, if this message box returns, or if the user pressed OK, then the return value is 1. If the return value is 1, do this. That's for later on. These are the flags for the message box. Don't get too fancy with them. Never really need to, but it's just kind of showing you the help file. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to set the basic OK. The title is going to be Hello HackCommunity, and what's going to be in the text that pops up is going to just Hello World. My name is Jacob, and see here that we got all the mandatory parameters done. We got the flag here, the title here, and the pop-up text here. The 0 flag means that's just going to be an OK button. There's not going to be anything fancy, no icon or anything. So we'll go up to Tools and press Go, or you can press F5, and you'll see you get a little Hello World. That's pretty much it. That's extreme basics. As I said before, we're using the message box function right there. All right, that's as simple as it gets. Hello world, and use the help file. It's your best friend. All right, so just do the index and search for contents, and kind of just search around for what you want. It's your best friend when you're coding in Autoit. Excuse messy desktops on my computer, by the way. Hope you enjoyed this, and this is Jacob from HackCommunity. See you next time.